Halo, halo, słychać mnie? Dzień dobry. Hi guys. I didn't remember that the stream was in English and yeah. Hi, Kubolos. I don't know why my... Oh yeah, it works. Nice. So, this is again stream in English. Okay, I think it works quite well. Okay. Today I will do some hacking again, probably on on Swagger UI, but on some older version, because I found a lot of instances in bug bounty programs where people use Swagger UI, but it is some older version, for example 2 point something, and I have found vulnerability and XSS, Doom XSS in Swagger UI, but in it only affects the latest version, so I have to find another thing. And let me check something. I will first check if there is some thing like I don't know. I don't want to show you guys like that payload. It's not public yet, so you know, I don't want to create some mess around that. Well, I think that okay, I will let me do something else. I'm cleaning up my desktop with I have a lot of shit there. Yeah, XD. Yeah, free English lessons. What the fuck? I cannot speak English. I thought that maybe we could for example research some Swagger UI and maybe some DOM purify bypasses. I don't know if it will works, or actually I'm not that great with I mean, I don't actually understand how the bypasses works. I mean, I don't have the deep understanding of them, so okay. Okay, and I have to change music because I don't like this one. And the strange thing is, in last stream, I thought that I was using copyright-free music, but it turns out that the music wasn't actually copyright-free, and I got claims. So I wasn't happy with that. I wanted to use that video of stream to post it on my channel, but like when your video is copyrighted, you will have less views and so on, because like YouTube prefers videos where like everything is good and you don't have copyrights on them, so they can claim like the revenue or something. I don't know how it works, but okay, let me do this. It's too hot. Okay, so actually I found that there is potentially something off with DOM Purify, or like HTML parsing is really hard, and I think that I might have found some kind of gem, it's called, I think. So, okay, let's check what. Okay, so there is some the newest version of Swagger UI. Okay, and I will close that. Again, some not interesting stuff. Launch it anyway. Okay. I will have to do one more thing. Clear browsing data. I have a lot of stuff there, so clear that. Okay. Actually, I would like to remove that. I don't like things like that. It's like a mess, so okay. So there's a Swagger UI, I think, and god damn it, application cache, local storage, clear storage data, this, and like how to clear the whole browser. Do you know? Maybe advanced. Okay, I can like clear everything by doing that. So yeah, it will work. So there's Swagger UI. On the GitHub, and I would like to find some older version of that. And also, okay, I will turn off the window for a second. Wait, give me a second. I have to do something that is confidential. Okay, I'm done. So on GitHub, you can just go to the releases page, or I can just find a tag here. Yeah, it's pretty easy to find the version we want. Oh, we have to view all tags. Actually, it's not easy. We have to go through everything by hand, so For example, I mean, I'm looking for some version 3 point something before the version 20. Yeah, because I found a lot of instances of that, so I would like to exploit it later and earn some money probably. And maybe we'll do later how it's called, pound function. There is a guy who created really nice CTFs, XSS CTFs, like I mean web CTFs, and I would like to solve them. I mean, one of them maybe. I don't know which of them will be the most interesting. So maybe we could try some harder one. I don't know. I mean, I solved the Area 51 canal. World War 3? I don't know. Maybe I'll solve that. Let me check. Template, warning, meme. I think that I might have solved that. But I'm not 100% sure. We can try to solve that later. Yeah. I really enjoyed the challenges, and the pound function creates some really nice content. I don't know how to say that. Admire him? Yeah, it's the right word. So, the Swagger UI. I mean, the thing is that I think that when you try to learn hacking or when you try to learn hacking, it is really important to look how hacking looks like in real life. It's not like hacker typing. Oh yeah, hacker type. It doesn't look like this, if you didn't know. And I would like to find some like bugs in old software, because I don't know if it's not a 0 day when you find a bug in old software. Yeah, because it's not commonly used, so you should probably update it anyway. You should probably have updated it anyway, so I don't know. Maybe you have other thoughts about that, guys. Where is my Swagger UI? This and that, and okay, I don't need that. And okay, I will just open the Swagger like this, and I think it will work. So also I will find older version 2.8 or something. It could be quite nice for our research. There are a lot of versions of Swagger UI. Oh yeah, so it's strange because there was a like jump from version 2.2 to 3.0. Like what? I don't know if it is how it's done in software. But yeah. I think, yeah, we'll grab the 2.2 version. Twitter, let me check something. So before this stream, I made sure that I promoted everything, like in every place. I remember that. I mean, I promoted this stream, but okay, everything works fine, I think. And just 1 second. Where is this? God damn it. Docs and links. And self promo. Yeah, okay. Everything works as expected. So, I didn't download it yet. So, okay. Here we have the latest Swagger, the UI. And what I will do is probably launch. Hi Mateusz. I will probably launch it locally to try to to use it. Probably, yeah. Okay, window is always not interesting enough for me. How do I start this? There should be some explaining in one of the files. Where is god damn it, package JSON? There will be probably, okay, I will just try to run it like npm install probably, because it's just front-end app, so it will be enough to run. Oh, it didn't work. Why? Okay, it requires some legacy or some legacy things. Legacy peer dips. What? It's first time that I didn't use the flag before, the legacy peer dips, so I'm quite confused. This is how the old software works, I think. Yeah, it's installing. So we can review the code. Everything interesting is in the source. And let me do something. So first of all, we will need some extensions. I don't like the pure Visual Studio Code. I mean, it's nice, but it's better when you install some extensions. For example, yeah, slint is good, but I will type JS. What else? Refactor, maybe not. I mean, I have one linter installed, but I don't know which one is better. So I will check it out later, how this one works. So we can, yeah, we just did the best one. And also there's some folder structure icons. I don't like this one. Let me check on my desktop which of them I use. I have similar setup on every PC I use, so. Oh, I have a lot of extensions in my main Visual Studio. So I have Oh yeah, so there's a, I mean, oh, I don't need this one. Where is the extension I'm looking for? Path IntelliSense, probably. It's really important. NPM, probably. NPM IntelliSense. Okay. And what else? There's like really nice there are really nice icons, but I don't know how to find them. File icon theme. SETI, I think. When you are on the desktop stream, it's laggy. Oh, sorry. Thank you for the information. I think that it's enough to change. Okay, yeah, it works now. Nice. Okay. So we'll go through all the things. npm packages were installed, and probably we can just, let me check commands. We can serve maybe, or start predev dev maybe. Open local. Oh yeah, so we can like npm. Why you need a lint plugin? What will be used for? Maybe I will have to code something, and the lint plugin is just for checking if my code makes sense, I think. Yeah, let me check the description of that. Like, linter helps you with writing code. Like, yeah, it's enough. It's good enough description, I think. So it's building right now, and we have to wait for it to open locally. It's quite convenient for us to just open the thing locally and play with it without breaking anything on some program, on some bug bounty program. Or there was some, what the heck is wrong? Okay, so yeah, here we have Swagger v1. Oh, okay. I will try to find some really cool bugs in it. What does it check? Does it like... Okay, so I'm interested how it works. Because the latest version of Swagger UI let you, for example, append here parameter, config URL, and you can provide a config string. I mean the URL that will be used to download config. And so we'll have to read the code. A lot of things. Yeah, finally we can read the code. So the index is like that, the main file. And we will start from it. Okay, I don't have installed the JS hint, so I will do it. Where's my terminal? Okay, the operating system variable. Why? Permission denied. Okay, so we'll just ask it kindly to execute that command with sudo. And the problem we saw before will be gone, I think. So we have a lot of things. We have some built info. I don't know what it is actually. We have the Swagger UI function, which is like the most interesting for us. It's the entry point to our application. It takes options as a parameter, options to like do something. Like it's just a config of the app, and the options are, and we have some defaults. If you doesn't provide the options, the Swagger will use the defaults, as you can see here. And what it does. So we have some deep extent function. When we see such function, we should think about, for example, some prototype pollution, probably, because such functions are usually vulnerable to this. It depends on what version the application uses of, for example, deep extent. It might be vulnerable to that or no. We'll check it. We like install it right now, so we will probably have we need the log file. Where is, okay, so here is a log. It's 041 and okay, so there are a couple of things, I think, because there's like in dependencies you have 0.4.1, and in dev dependencies, which are installed and used for development, I think, and I think they are not included in production build. I don't know how it works, but yeah, there is a like different version. We'll look which of them is used. Okay, so there is the deep extent with 041, and as you can like we can use Google to check if the version is vulnerable to prototype pollution, and it's called deep extent vulnerability, and okay, so there is actually prototype pollution in this version of deep extent. So this application, the Swagger UI, should be vulnerable to that, and we'll check it. We'll check that if we can like use it to, for example, fire an XSS on that. Yeah, and I hope it won't work. But yeah. Okay, so there are a lot of like version of this package used. A lot of other packages use that as a peer dependency or something. Yeah. Okay. So it was the first thing we noticed here, but there's actually another thing. Right here we use a parse search function, which probably parses parameter provided from the query string in the query string, and we'll jump to that. Why this doesn't work? God damn it. Okay, well, open it just in my page, in new page. Hello everywhere, I think. Hi there, hi. Okay. Import 6, okay. I don't like this. Okay. I think it should work, but like everything lighted up. Like we have a lot of warnings here. I don't like that. I will disable one of these plugins because it's like okay, reload is required. Okay, we'll skip the update. I will install it later. So, does it work? God damn it, no, it doesn't. For some reason it behaves like... Okay, I will probably disable maybe this one and enable this one. One of them will work and I don't know which one. So... Okay, this one behaves as we expect it to behave. So, okay. So we have the parse function and it is located in the utils.js and here it is. What it does, it's like basic parsing of parameters, get parameters. It like splits the parameters and it creates a map from that. And the thing to notice is it doesn't convert the... It doesn't use the JSON parse, so we can only like provide parameters. Oh, I should make it bigger for you guys. I don't know if you see everything. So we can, for example, provide parameters ABC in path, which has value, for example, 213, and the application will return. I mean, the function will return an object with ABC like this. And if like we cannot create object here, it won't work. So, but keep in mind that we have object here and we can like create some properties in that object. And take a look what happens with the query config. It's taken and again it's used with the extend function. Hi, hello. I cannot spell your name, so I really would want to, but it's like really hard. Ivarov? Did I spell it right, or I might mess it up, so I'm really sorry for that. And also the guy before, yeah, again I cannot like say it. I don't know what your nickname means. 3LK0J for... Okay. So like we have another options that are merged together, and we can use the query parameters to override some of the options here from the default. And yeah, maybe it will make some sense. I mean, maybe it will lead to XSS or something. Let me take a look at something. What is I here? I would like to... I in params. Okay, it's nothing special, I think. So what we do with the constructor config, we just specify, we just... Okay. Elkoya. So we use it to... actually, I don't know initial state key. Oh, so the constructor config is used to the inline plugins is really interesting for me, and we will check it later. Okay, so my Siri just turned on. I don't know why. So another thing is that we download spec from somewhere, I think, but I don't know from where. I think that there is config URL. Oh yeah, there is a config URL, and it is used to download the spec. And okay, we'll create some spec, and like I have an idea how to fire maybe fire some XSS, but I have to take a look at components because they are using sanitized HTML, and we cannot bypass that. It's like pretty hard because so there is a markdown component that is used to render some stuff on the page. Like you can't see them right now, but I will show you later. And the markdown component, like take the source string, which is like HTML and markdown in it, and it sanitizes and it renders the markup, and then it sanitizes it with this sanitize options. Okay, sanitizer. This is the function here. It takes the string, optimize options, sanitize options, and as you can see that we can only use some limited number of tags here, and there are only a couple of allowed attributes. So it is really difficult to do something here. Text filter. Okay. You know what? I remember that there was some vulnerability. I don't know if it was with filter, but there sure was something. But let me check. Sanitize HTML. Okay. The vulnerabilities. First we have to check which version we use and why we doesn't hear the music, why it stopped. Okay, it works now. So sanitize HTML. It is okay, we have to check it in log. So we are using the 1.27.5 version. So it is really nice because it's quite old version, and it sure is vulnerable to something, but yeah, it's 1.27.5, and when you look at the vulnerabilities that were found, you will find some of, like, there are a couple of XSSs. I mean, yeah. Here we have the reference, which is the GitHub PR. Oh no, actually it is not the right function. The transform tags function was used here, so The vulnerability, how it worked was like, okay, I think the music is too loud. Or is it? Oh, I think it's not. Okay, so when you use the transform tags and you did something with tags, someone could just input a script in it or some JavaScript, and it wasn't sanitized properly, the output of a transform function. There are a couple of other XSSs, but I don't know if they apply to that. Probably. I think it will be hard to. Yeah, it's the transform tags, but we need like something more juicy. Hi, one stream with Young Hack Guide for Metin 2. Drevienko Vajdon, always in our hearts. Yeah, maybe I will play some Metin, but later. Yeah. Drevienko 22 was my nickname in Metin 2, and it is like a meme between me and Łukasz. Yeah. It's like I don't know how to translate the name. It's like pretty memey. What? Yeah. It's like small wood 2 or 2-1. I don't know. It's pretty hard for me, so. Yeah, I was Metin 2 player, and I really loved that game. I played it so much, like I was addicted to it. And I played only, I mean, at the start I played only on the official servers, and yeah. These were really good times. Okay, so the sanitized HTML. So we have a dead end here with the sanitized HTML because like we cannot bypass it in any way. I think like we cannot do that, but maybe we'll find some bypass. But I doubt it, but maybe. First, and I have to check which attributes are allowed in the version we are using. So sanitize HTML. Yeah, rocks right now. So Kubalos, were you playing at the official servers, or you played at privs or private servers? I don't know. God, again, music is. Let me know if the music is right volume. I mean, if it's not too loud or something. We have to find a tag. Okay. Thank you. God damn it, I don't remember which version is used here, so. Package log 1727.5. Where is this version? 127. Oh, that 5. Okay, so we'll use the version. I think it will work, or maybe I can just download it with that. Yeah, it will work. Nice. Package. Where should I put it? Package here, and I want to open it. Yeah, you are right. So the dist. Okay, there are a lot of. I hate reading code like this. God damn it! But we can do something. Format document with prettier. It will like format the whole document to the readable form for us. Why is it so slow? Like, what the hell? It should format it with. Oh yeah, it formatted it, so nice. And don't save it. And we want allowed tags. They're all probably used. Oh yeah, here are the allowed tags. And as you can see, there are not a lot of them. And I don't know if there exists some XSS with these tags. I doubt. And on image we can use on resource and the title. Wow, it is going to be really hard. Allowed schemas. So I don't know if we can bypass the HTML sanitizer of that version, but I think that okay, the merging of the fetched config is really looks really nice to me, and I would like to research that. Ref is allowed. Yeah, it's allowed on a element, but there are I mean there are only allowed schemes here, so you cannot make a XSS with the tag. I mean the ref attribute. But yeah, where is my okay, there's my thing. Test the JSON, and I will have to search that and create search. Oh, I was playing with it before, and I tried to create a prototype pollution here, but I don't know if it will work. Okay, I have to change it here. Search. It will just like upload it again. Okay, and now we can like open it in browser tab and specify the URL, HTTPS URL, test.json. Why was the connection refused? What? Oh, I probably. Oh yeah, I turned off the browser. visuals to the code, so I have to start it again. Run dev. Yeah, it will probably start. Yeah, it should work. Okay. It opened. Nice. And it is spinning, as you can see. Yeah, it is building again, so I don't like that it rebuilds every time you like fire it. It's pretty stupid solution to like it doesn't check any hash or what is XSS game in first step. So it is the pound faction XSS challenges, and I thought that maybe we could solve them later because they are pretty nice. And I solved a couple of them and I really enjoyed them. So yeah, maybe we could do that. Then next meme is coming soon, but I checked it like, I mean, I was on the site like a couple of months before and it's not finished yet, so I don't know when it will be finished. Does it work? It should. Okay, so here we have a tab. Okay, this loads. I have to check something. If okay, it's undefined. So we can open the source and we can play with it. Just with the source of application. We can like go through it like we were in Visual Studio Code. And the config that is downloaded, the spec, the spec is downloaded from this URL, or am I right? I think I should be right. The config URL, yeah. I mean, I will check what it returns. Okay, so I mean, like I created the breakpoint here, and what it returns is the URL and the proto. I don't know how to make it. I mean, I don't know how to force it to be prototype position. Because like the thing that we provided here was JSON. It is a JSON URL and with proto and the test in it, and it returned an object here. But let's check what happens on merge. I think it was omitted, like it was ignored or something. Fetched config, because let's take a look how the deep merge or deep extend work. We have somewhere the node modules, or No, it doesn't work like that, so we have to go there manually. This is the dip extent, so we are looking for the letter B, C, and here is the dip extent. Okay, so here is the library, and okay, so there's everything we need. What do we need to do, or like what payload do we need to provide for it to be vulnerable? Pip clone array. No, it's boring. Extending dip extend. Okay, so here is the function. If you wish, clone source object without modifying it, just use empty new object. Okay, not interesting. Arguments, we are checking arguments here. I don't know why he didn't use arguments here, like in the function. It's quite strange, but maybe it was some backwards compatibility or something. I don't know, maybe. It takes arguments, and what it does, it takes source, okay, target, okay, we take that target, which is the object that everything will be merged to, and we go through every object. Okay. Skip argument if its array isn't, if the array isn't object. Oh, skip argument if it's array or it isn't object. So it's strange, or no, it actually doesn't. How it works? Oh, such a shame. It uses object keys. So it's not vulnerable to prototype pollution right away, I think. Because object keys will not return the proto property. Like we have proto property, and the object keys won't return that. So it won't loop over that. But what happens? Hi, Natix. So today's stream is in English, and if you would like to ask some question or something, you can do it in Polish and I can translate it, or just you can write English, whatever. Source value. Okay, there is the source object. I mean, or what? Oh, no, it's the source value. Yeah, it's source value. I didn't understand it properly, so the value. Okay, and the new value. I tried to come up with an idea how to like break it. Huh. Because recursion prevention, okay. What happens if if it's not an object and if it's null, okay. If it is array, deep clone array, let's check what it does. Again, what is source? Okay. Actually, I don't know if the naming is right. Like, the source is taken from target. Like, what? The new value. Why isn't it named like new value? If the source is not an object, or source is null, or source is array, will like deep extend the value again. Yeah, like here is what's stopping us. The object keys is like killer of prototype pollution. Deep clone array, like is specific value, what it means in stuff of buffer regex. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to close it. Close specific value, deep clone array. Okay. Okay. What if, yeah, the value is array? What will happen? We want to clone that. We have the clone array here. Array for each element. Okay. What if we have an array? Oh, no. Actually, never mind. I was just curious. Huh. Okay, what if we have an item which is object? Okay, now it is not vulnerable to prototype pollution. What a shame. Maybe if someone is using some like older version. Huh. God damn it. Clone. Yeah, it's not vulnerable. But I'm not 100% sure on that. Let me check something. Oh, okay, let me check one thing. I didn't think that, I mean, I think that I did provide by bad URL to my stream. Yeah, fuck. Oh yeah, fuck. I started streaming on bad URL. We should be streaming on another URL. I mean the another event. God damn it! I messed it up. I will copy it, and I don't know how it happened. And yeah, I posted the info about it on Discords. And let me do another thing, and let me post to my post to my on my Twitter account. I'm really curious what happened and why I started streaming on like another event on YouTube. God damn it. Yeah, I'm still learning how to do everything, so sorry for that. Okay, how to, I mean, I'm trying to do it from my phone and I don't know how to do that. Okay, sure. Just 1 second, I will come back to the bug. Okay, it should work. And on the Discord server, I should also provide that. God damn it. Okay, and 2 more channels to like change the URL. I mean I posted info about the stream on a couple of different channels, and some of them are alright. And there's, I mean, there's a background Discord, for example. The background is a platform for Bug Bounty. Okay, it works. So, guys. Oh, god damn it. Let's go through again the whole thing, and like, we have had some ideas how to, for example, break the config. I mean, how to where will probably be prototype pollution. Like we knew that deep extent is interesting, and we checked that actually it's not vulnerable to anything on our version. Maybe if someone like created the build earlier, like 2 years ago or something, he might be vulnerable to that, but we are not. And yeah, we have to find another way to break it. And I don't know how to do it. Constructor config fn is like function. What happens if constructor config, what it is? Okay, it's like our thing. And what happens if we just like provide fn here and like put the alert here? Will it just fire or no? It would be too stupid. Like please, it shouldn't fire. But like you never know until you check if it's not the right tab. Fetch is not a function. Is my message above visible? Maybe not because of a link in it. No, I doesn't see it. I mean, I don't see it. Yeah. Maybe there is like, I mean, I didn't change anything. Yeah. Yeah. This is what I was hoping for. I mean, if we could find a prototype pollution in somewhere here, we could bypass the sanitizer. You're right. Like we could security it's called. If we had like prototype pollution, it will be game over, and we'll have just pretty easy. Oh, it's mutation XSS. We could have pretty easy XSS, but it's not the case here. Okay, prototype pollution bypassing HTML. Sanitize HTML. Take a look. What would happen? Okay, so the only thing object prototype. The only thing we like needed to do the XSS is like pollute the thing, like the star with onload, and we could just have pretty easy XSS. But I'm wondering, what if we actually like, oh, or maybe, god damn it, maybe we can pollute it. Or no, we cannot, god damn it. What happens if we, for example, I'm just thinking out loud. No. Okay, yeah. I mean, I doubt that there is a prototype pollution. Maybe somewhere deeper, but yeah. But what else we can do? Fetch is not a function, like Why? What happened here? Oh, fetch is used here. I mean the FN. I'm curious where else. Object eval. What is object eval? What? Object eval. Swagger UI. Yeah. And object eval as get config by URL. What does it mean? Bind action creators. What is dispatch? Dispatch is type of, okay, but yeah, instead of import, blah 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 blah. But I'm curious of the eval, like why is it here? Object eval. Object eval. JS. Object eval. Maybe there's like something. Okay. Oh, okay. So it is like code execution. In objects, like what the heck? Okay. Okay, so it was removed. But why is it here? Is there some like polyfill? Oh, it's not a function, so I don't get it. Window onload, yeah. Object eval as config by URL. Hi Michał. No problem. So, Michał, we are researching another version of Swagger UI because I did manage to find XSS in the latest version of Swagger UI, and I was curious if there is a way to find it. I mean, if there is a way to execute XSS on some older version, because like I was researching what bug bounty programs have Swagger UI, and there are like a lot of older versions that are not vulnerable to my XSS. So I try to find another one, and I try to earn more money. But yeah, they are pretty smart with what they do here. Huh. I mean, I know that there are some XSSs in this version. Like there are XSS which require you to click on with tag, with a tag. But I don't like such XSSs. Like they are not interesting for us. And what we do is, yeah, we just try to hack everything, basically. I try to find, god damn it, places where the function parameter is used. Wow, my whole Visual Studio Code froze, so pretty nice. I want to exclude this. God damn it. Okay, so it works now. Nice. Okay, and okay, I want to find eval, for example, if there is probably some place where eval is used. Eval source map, what it is. Because in we find, or for example, function. No, it's in docs. Function prototype. Parent body, noob. What? Okay, I understand what it is. This is like the default thing. Okay, so now, is it interesting for us? Or it is not? Huh. Where we are? Where is this tag? Oh, yeah, this tag ends here, so. The wrap, what is wrap? Wrap. W, R, up. Wrappers, action name, okay. Action, what is action? Object map. Okay, so this is some function from, I don't know, from where? Core utils. From here, yeah. Object map. Okay. Again, they are pretty smart. They use object keys here. And we can't play with that. Huh. What else we can do with config? Like, okay, let's take a look at config again, what it does. Where is the config defaults? Okay, the doom ID. What is doom ID? Oh, I know that. I mean, I saw that. Maybe, guys, there is a way to do XSS here. Because system render, query selector. Oh no, like I saw it in version before or something. Like I could inject the JavaScript using a DOM ID, but here, like, we can't do much with that. So it's like query selector, DOM node, and what the render does. Oh, okay, so we can render on anything. God damn it, I cannot jump. Oh, the linter is pretty bad, I think. But let's just leave it for now. The system render function render. Where is render? God damn it, render. No, there's not a render function. Okay. So probably the system just returns some object, or it is an object. System extend. System extend. Okay, so there is probably some interesting part. Okay, the destination plugins. Where do we have source? Okay, source is here. I will make it bigger. Okay, so we have the source and the destination. Source is like new object that will be used to like the keys from it will be used to do some things. Okay. Destination is object state plugins. Okay. And what we do next? Oh. Okay, destination. We check for plugins. Like, okay, when you see a for loop with let namespace in plugins, it indicates that there might be prototype pollution. I'm not like 100% sure, but yeah, it might be. State plugins, okay, it does something. Wrapper actions, what is wrapper? Namespace object. So there is, we need, okay, our source, so we are checking if source have state plugins. And what else? State plugins. We check if it has the namespace and the wrapper actions. Action name. What is action name? But I'm not sure that we can like break something here, but maybe let's check where the function is used actually. The system extend. Okay, in register. Okay. This system, plugin system. Plugins. But when... Okay, I think I know where it is used. Or no, I don't know. I mean, I thought that... Huh. What is components? Like, what we can do with that? Can we provide, for example, a string, maybe? Or state in like plugins? Register, what it does? Plugins, it combine plugins, okay. What does the combine plugins? So this is the plugins, which is the new object. I mean the new plugins, and it's array. No, register. Okay, yeah. So we provide only one parameter here. Plugins rebuild is true. So okay, so we provide plugins, which is like the array. This array, but components. I'm curious what it is used for. So there's some custom layouts, I think. Yeah. Components, again, some not interesting stuff. Huh. Components. Where are components used? Maybe there is some... I mean, maybe they are like executed somehow? No, it would be too stupid. Model component. Okay, some base and what else? Can string, for example, be like a React component, or is React like too dumb for that? We are in tests, so there won't be anything interesting for us. I'm curious, like, what if we, for example, provide here not function fn but components, but it will be just string components, for example. Okay, like Okay, we got something, some error in promise, but create type is invalid. Expected a string verb or class function, but got null. Where was that? Why did we? Or I like we cannot do much with just that. Maybe we can. After the config, maybe we can break something with that. Maybe. Because I see that React is loading components, some components, and there we can break probably that. So let me check something. I will create object. Where are these used? Okay, so we have components here, and okay, we want components, and it will be an array, I think. How component looks like? I have no idea. Or no, it's not an array. It's just a plain. Okay, and now we have to publish it. Yeah, and let's just refresh the page. And what should we get? So we have the components here. I mean, how are they loaded? Oh, god damn it. I accidentally almost unplugged my microphone. Huh. It's not executing. Ooh. Huh. So we broke something. We broke something, but I don't know what yet. Can we access React? No, we cannot. Huh. Where was that used? We have to read the whole thing. Actions, okay, we are in actions. Spec. Yeah, we resolved that. Update resolved, but what does it do? Create initial children. Mount children. Resolve. God damn it. Spec string. Resolve spec. Okay, there are a lot of functions that interact with each other, and and there are a lot of, wow, my cat looks so nice. He's watching. I have to take a picture of him because like he's too cute. Okay. I couldn't hold myself. Yeah. It's like sometimes he is so nice that, yeah. Model property macro. Actions, god damn it. I want to understand everything, but it's so hard. Components, where is it used? Please. It's not used here, maybe here, components. Yeah, a lot of components here. But what does it do? Get components. Get root injects. Okay. Get components. System components component. Okay, so get components. Where is it used? Huh. Okay. It's defined here. Root injects. Oh yeah, we have the render function. Get injects. Mem get component. Render bind get store get components. Okay. Root injects. What are these? Get component. System store app root. Okay, so probably we have to create a root component here. I think so that it's expecting, this is what it is expecting from us. And also we should look at the source code of the page, because there are probably some presets. Okay, there are some presets. Okay. And we also should take a look at standalone layout. Where is it used? Oh, it's like shared. Okay. First I will upload the thing. I'm sure that I will find the XSS here. I don't know if it will happen like in next hour, but I will probably do it after the stream. Like I'm like actually really sure that there is something horrible going on here. And I want it so bad. Okay, again. We broke something, but it's not what we are expecting. I mean, no, it's sanitized, but I want layout. I want to look for layout again. Root injects is interesting. Okay, it's yeah, there is the layout, but how is it used? Summary. Yeah, custom layout. Boring. Layout, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, we found the main component. Layout name. Ooh. Okay, it's interesting. It's like really interesting. Can we like create arbitrary component maybe? I want to how is this called? Jails fiddle, and I have to check which version of React it is using. Or I will just like put a breakpoint on the app component. Yeah, it will be the better solution for us. We'll learn more of how the application actually works. So we should go with that, I think. Components, and we'll... Okay, I should make it bigger. And I'm looking for app component. Okay, and I want to fire this and check. Okay, which will fire first? Oh, it was the index. So this is like merging first. Layout name. Oh. Standalone layout. We have to update our test. Like this, for example. Or we should like delete it maybe and check what it does without breaking too much. Okay, so it was published. Okay, so we go to the application. Okay, so what is a component? Okay, component is actually a function. God damn it. We'll return the component. Huh. But can it be like I mean, what is actually like happening here? I want to understand how React views the... I mean, what is the final thing that React renders? It's probably some kind of object, but I don't know what it is. Maybe we can craft it like by ourselves, but yeah, it's render. again, yeah, out, yeah, and we go out from this. Huh. No, it's not interesting. I mean, I want to capture that. What is actually like? I would like to understand this layout. What it is. Okay, I will create a directory for overrides. It will do. Okay. Why can't I? Oh, I will maybe just do it here. What does it mean? Does mean unexpected console? Okay, it should recompile, probably. But it didn't work for some reason. But maybe now it will work. Yeah, it worked. Nice. So we have to refresh the page, because I don't know if you know that you can like override the JS files using DevTools. You can like go to source overrides, enable local overrides, and you have to specify the directory where the overrides will be stored, and basically you can edit the code and save that, and it will execute what you provided here. Okay, let's see. Okay, it didn't show us anything. God damn it. I don't know why it didn't work. It's quite strange. Console.log, okay. I will, god damn it. And I will delete the overrides because they might break something. I mean, yeah, it's better to just start from the source files. React create component. React. What version of React we are using? We have to check that. Where is React? God damn it. Is it 15 dot something? So it's quite an old version of React, I think. Yeah. So this thing should work. We should see like the object that was created. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, it reloaded and now it should work. Please work, please. Okay, the deep merge, yeah. And the next is... Oh yeah, here it is. Oh yeah, actually we cannot like do much here, I think, because React has some type of sheet, and we can break that. Some type. Yeah, we can break that. But I'm wondering where else is the layout used? Because like we are using the get layout function, which is actually, oh yeah, it's from properties. So where is used the up.jsx? Is it used in like index? It should be, yeah? I think, yeah, it's used here, so. But we don't provide the... It doesn't work. Like, I mean, like we can specify the layout, but it's not much. Get components. Okay, it's our function here. Oh yeah, we can now we can check this. And we should like create an object from it. Maybe it will work, maybe. Yeah, the rest is array, no. So you will hear like some noise in the background for a while, but yeah, you just ignore it. Let's take a look again at the object that is returned here. It's React. No, it wasn't Lion. I I don't know how it's called. OCAP. Let me check that word. Yeah, god damn it, I cannot find like the proper meaning of, I mean the proper translation of that in English. But it doesn't matter. I'm wondering, like, where is the... Okay. Where is the, like, string of HTML that will be rendered? Huh. God damn it. I don't know. Huh. Yeah, it creates something here. I will look for layout in another place, maybe. There is some... Maybe there's something else. Layout actions, models. Huh. No, probably we can't do much with that. Again, layouts. Layout action, show, overview. Ooh. Base, no. Can we like override some component? Like, huh? I mean, I'm wondering because there is a component which is called. Let me check. Providers Markdown. And I'm wondering if we can break it. The Markdown component is used in a couple of places. Okay, we use the Markdown. But what happens if we, for example, where is the test? Okay, I will leave it as a string here. The most stupid thing, we'll try it, but it probably won't work, but it's worth trying always in hacking, because sometimes things like that work. You don't know why, but they work. Okay, it loads. Yeah, and what happens next is no, we don't want to break on that. We'll skip it. And we should see model collapse. Expected as single React element. Oh. We'll check what is the model collapse. Oh, no, not here, but in the code mode model collapse. Okay, no. Huh. Okay, so like the problem is it. Yeah, you will hear some noises, but yeah, please ignore them. I cannot like. Or maybe I can. Hey, do you hear the noises, or can you hear me? I think that when I switch the thing on my microphone, they disappeared, but I don't know. Let me know, guys. Annoy you guys. But yeah, okay, it doesn't matter. Invalid prop title of type string supplied to model expected a single React component. Title element. Huh. Oh. Schema get title or name. I think it's expecting some component here. Expected single React component. What is the name, actually? Schema. Array model. We'll have to find. Oh, it's used in model. Array. Okay. Name. What is name? Because name is our title. God damn it, we have to go to the top again. Model. Model wrapper. No. Okay, it is using model, but we don't have name yet. Model wrapper. What is name, please? Oh, entry sequence. Name and model. Schema. So... Oh. No, I actually don't understand why we see this error. Like, we shouldn't see it, but for some reason we see it. Oh, I mean, maybe there is something we are missing here. I saw that there's another like error here that was displayed. Yeah, let it render. It is spinning. Yeah. No, we don't see the error. We take the actions and what we do with it. Base layout. Object model collapse. we just wanted to overwrite the markdown, but it's not working actually. Huh. It's interesting. Maybe it's that end. Maybe it won't work. I don't know. Maybe there's like another thing that we could find here. I'm interested about the other version of the Swagger, the version 2 point something. Where it is? It's somewhere. God damn it. Okay, I have to. Open the folder. Okay, and I have in downloads. I have it in downloads 2.2. Okay, let's unpack it. I will open it in this window. Okay. So there are a lot of, I mean, there are not a lot of things in this Swagger. And yeah, I mean, I want to research the another, I mean the, not this, it's sanitizer. That's safe. The Swagger UI. God damn it, I want to research all of them. But we don't have time. Yeah, I will just take a look at this. I will stop this version. This version, I mean, I saw that there are a lot of version of, I mean, there are a lot of 2.2 versions and a lot of 3. For example, 9 versions, and I want to check both of them. Gulp Surf. I want the surf, so it will be pretty easy to run it. The function initialize. Where is the HTML maybe? Okay, so here we have the index file. Okay, and it takes URL. Yeah, and it creates this Swagger UI. But what is Swagger? Okay, so Swagger UI is just this. So okay, Doom ID is taken from parameters, I think. But yeah, look at it. There is like pretty easy XSS, but you cannot control the Doom ID, so it's lame. Okay, it's initialize. What does the accent function? Oh, there were some problems here. But why? Why were there problems? Thank you, Michał. I mean, I will end the stream right now. We didn't find anything, luckily, and I hope that with some time after the stream, I will exploit something. Yeah, it would be really nice, or I will find some exploits for this version. I mean, I doubt that there exists. I will just check it. Vulnerabilities. Okay, so there are some vulnerabilities there, but they are probably pretty lame, as they usually are here. Okay, so there was something wrong with sanitize, I think. Oh yeah, because they were like sanitizing it by themselves, and it was pretty stupid. So yeah, I saw that some version used that, so it's nice that there's some payload for that. Sanitizers avoid. Okay. Yeah, there are a lot of like XSSs for this, and it's not interesting for me. Okay, guys, thank you for watching me, and yeah, the next stream will be in a week, again in Sunday. So if you're interested in, please give me a subscription or follow me on Twitter or something. And yeah,